So this one is like the Dr. Cottam problem where we were dropping by 70%, except now we're dropping by 50%, a half. And our P0 is different. In Dr. Cottam's example, I wanted to use easy numbers, so I started out with P0 equals 100. Here I'm starting out with P sub 0 equals 680. Number 6 is similar, so I didn't do number 6, I'm just doing number 7. Step 1 is to make the table. When n is 0, P0 is 680, so that's what goes in first. How do I get to the next step? I use the recursion formula, which says to get to the next step, I have to take half of the previous. So half of 680 is 340. Half of 340 is 170. And so on. Half of 170 is 85. Half of 85 is 42.5. Once I have they wanted 5 terms here. So I have 5 terms here. I wrap them up with these curly brackets and I write them into this blank. How do you find the closed form solution? Well, the formula, move my face. The formula is if I have Pn, P sub n is a times P sub n minus 1 plus d. As long as a is not 1, and in this case a is a half, the closed form analytical solution, particular solution, is given by this formula. So in this case, P star is d over 1 minus a. That's what it always is. But in this case, or d is 0 because there's nothing added up here. So if I look at this general form, d is 0, and a is a half. So, and P star is 0, therefore, because d is 0, 0 divided by anything is 0, so that's gone. And I plug everything in, and so I simplify. I get 1/2 to the n times 680. What's the benefit of that? Well, I don't have to keep dropping the previous by a half to find the next answer. If I want to know what P4 is, I just plug 4 into here and crank it out on a calculator, and I should get 42.5. And that was what goes into this blank. So that's all for your homework. They're similar to each other, so I didn't do every single one. Any questions? Diana.thomas@westpoint.edu.